Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm about to make saffron whitening face toner for you. Well, for me. Mine is almost, in fact, it's run out and I'm trying to refill it. So I thought, why not record this and show you guys. So saffron has tremendous benefits for your skin, both internally and externally. These are just some of the benefits. The benefits are endless. It helps with hair growth, it helps with diabetes, it helps with erectile dysfunction for men, it helps with weight loss. Oh my goodness, please google it to get more information about saffron. It's like the gold of all the herbs. Well, one of the golds. Okay, so this is me playing around my camera using my toner and just showing off. Just showing off my skin, my face, so you guys can have an idea what a saffron toner can do for you. You want a face like this so you too can show off. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. So here's my bottle. Actually, I bought another toner and I don't like the toner, so I threw it away, but I like the container, so I kept it. I'm almost out, so I'm about to make a new batch for myself. These are the toner I'm using, Nano Half Cast Whitening Toner. I'll put the measurement on the screen so you can follow accordingly. I'm about to make 150 ml, so this measurement is for 150 ml. Okay, you can tweak your ingredients, you can use another toner, it's completely okay. Please, I'm sorry about the noise. There's some construction people constructing the road here in Port Harcourt. Is crazy. Please bear with me, please. So for each ingredient, you can see the measurement on this tray. And this is my trusted infused saffron water. Like, okay, let me promise you guys, I'm going to make a video showing you how I get my saffron water. This water is gold. It's life. You have to try it, okay? You have to. So these are my ingredients. I hope I can put all the measurements on the screen for you so you can follow them. If you want to make more quantity, a larger quantity, you can just double the measurement, and I think that should be good. I have oily, acne prone skin, actually combination skin. My T-zones are oily, so because of that, my toner, I make it with bearing in mind that I have to be able to shrink my pores. So I'm going to add salicylic acid to this toner, which, as we know, it penetrates deep into your pores and fight the bacteria that causes acne, and it cleanses your pore, like deep into your pores, not just the surface. Glycol clears the surface, but it doesn't penetrate as deep as salicylic acid. So I want to dissolve my salicylic acid. Now, most people dissolve with propylene glycol. I don't like to use propylene glycol on my face, so I choose to use another method to dissolve my salicylic acid. When it's for my skin, like a body lotion, I can use propylene glycol to dissolve the salicylic acid. But here, because it's for my face, I'll be using baking soda to dissolve my salicylic acid. Okay, so my baking soda is actually good for the face as well. Most people incorporate it in their face and body scrub, so, and it's very good for acne as well. You can google it to get more information about baking soda and the benefits for your skin. So when you put in your baking soda, say like about 1 or 2 pinch of baking soda into the salicylic acid, you stir it and just give it set about 2-3 minutes, possibly 5 minutes, for the salicylic acid to dissolve. And when it dissolves completely, you'll see that it's clear, like the liquid is clear. and then you can add it to the toner. So that's what I did. If I have to mention, please, this I don't know, but for me, this toner is a bomb. It's like gold in a bottle. Like, oh my goodness. Within a few days of using it, your acne will diminish, your pores will shrink, your face will be so smooth. I must advise, if you have to use it twice a day, in the morning when you use this, because it has a deep exfoliating properties like glycolic and acid and salicylic acid. So if you use it in the morning, please, I cannot overemphasize on this. Please use sunscreen, at least a minimum of 50 SPF. Okay, so there you have it. I shared my best toner that I use personally with you guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so in case I upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. More videos coming up. Stay tuned with me, and thank you very much for sticking with me. If you're new, you're welcome, and you will not regret subscribing to my channel. If you're old subscribers, thank you for being steadfast with me and patient with me. Thank you all. Your support is everything to me. Bye.